Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Gray Wolf 22RR Black Label. Before we get started, this camper comes in just over 5,400 pounds empty and comes in at 29 feet tongue to bumper. This is the Black Label series and this also has your 12-volt heating pads on all the tanks underneath here. Up front we have your power tongue jack with the LED lights you can see at nighttime if you're hooking up. We have two 20-pound LP tank bottles that will be filled by the Outpost RV. And of course, has the hard shell cover with the quick access lid. Behind that, we have the rails where you can set your battery right there. We have the curved radius front end. Part of the Black Label package is going to be the fiberglass on the exterior wall here. We also have your deep tinted frameless windows, magnetic door catches, as well as some extra features on the inside. Up front here, we have your storage compartments. Power cord is included. You'll notice to the left there are slider doors underneath here. So with the new bed system, you can lift the bed all the way up and just slide those compartments open and access storage in the front area here. We have your power jacks, your stabilizers. So there's going to be a switch underneath, and how that works, you just hit the button and one leg will come down first and the other one will come down and they will equal out in pressure, and that is to stabilize the camper for you. Directly behind me, we have this holographic light here. It's got the wolf head emblem. So at nighttime with the blue LED and the wolf head emblem really pop and make you stand out amongst everybody else. We have your power awning here with the blue LED accent light. Each leg or arm is adjustable as well. So if the sun's coming down, you can adjust the pitch of the awning right there. We have your sturdy steps going inside where each leg is adjustable if you're on different levels of ground. Oversized grab handle. We have your tempered glass entrance door here. It has the integrated window as well, and still the full-size screen door here. Up top, since this is the toy hauler, we have your vent system. So we'll have one here, one on the other side, so you can get cross ventilation as you're traveling. That way, if you have anything with fumes in there, you can keep it vented out. Nice Black Label emblem here that lights up. Outside speakers as well. Your entertainment system, same bracket on the inside, so you can lift your TV up, bring it out, drop it in, and hook it up right here. Right in front of the tires here, we have your LP quick disconnect. So if you have a portable gas grill, you can take that with you, plug it in right there, and use the gas on the camper. You'll notice on the tires here, the center cap is popped off. These are the quick Easy Lube axles. All four wheels have self-adjusting brakes and a tire pressure monitoring system. How this works, the side will turn red if you're low on air. So we will unscrew that to demonstrate. That way you can just walk around and do a visual check before you head off for your next destination to make sure that your tires are good on air. We are pet friendly. We have your leash latch right here so the furry family members can tag along. We have your ramp door patio system already set up. You'll notice with our pictures online, you can see the screen wall rolled up, but it does come with the screen wall as well. Nice bright LED light up top, and the backup camera as well. Over here is going to be the other side for that vent system. Right up top, it's going to be prepped for a ladder, so you can buy a portable ladder that hooks onto there to get up there for roof maintenance purposes. Down below, we have your sewer holder. So we have the tube underneath, so you can store your sewer hose there when traveling. This is a 30 amp unit, and it comes with a 25-foot detachable power cord. Black tank flush, so when you're done camping for the week or weekend, you hook your water hose up here and that'll blast out the tank for you. We have this bright LED light right here by all your connections and dump station. So if it's nighttime, you can see what's going on. Cable connection, if the campground offers that, you can tap right in and use their cable here for the TV inside. Outside shower with hot and cold water. It is a low pressure spray port. And then directly below that, we have your water fill station. Fresh water on the left, so if you're going to be dry camping or boondocking, you'll fill up your fresh water tank, turn on your water pump on the inside and use that water. And then the city water, so that way if you're at a campground or your house, you just simply hook your water hose up and that'll pressurize the lines for you. Directly down below with the dump station, gray handle for your gray tank and black handle for the black tank. And last but not least, we have your on-demand water heater, which is gas only since it is on demand, but about 60% more efficient than what we've used in the past. And that concludes our outside walkthrough of the Gray Wolf 22RR Black Label. Now we'll take a look at the inside. As we move to the inside, you'll notice we have another light shining down that says Black Label. Another nice additional touch that they put on here. Step inside and get a nice overview of the inside. Again, this is the 22RR Black Label here. And right inside here, you'll notice this is an interior look at that vent for that cross ventilation. We have your main control panel. So you can turn on your 12-volt heating pads that are on all the tanks again, gray tank, black tank, and fresh water. Up top, you can check your tank levels to see how full or empty they are. Turn on your lights and run your awning in and out right there as well. Right here, we have your stereo, which is AM, FM, and Bluetooth compatible, so you can sync your phone to it and play music that way. Overhead storage with the decorative cabinets there. Range vent that will vent to the outside. We have your large kitchen window, goes pretty much the full length here. 2 outlets on the left-hand side. High-rise faucet with the pull-out sprayer there. We have your upgraded countertops. These are the solid surface, part of the Black Label package as well. And then your 3-burner stovetop. This will now include the convection microwave right down below. So it doubles as the microwave and the oven there. We have your furnace down below. And then over here in the kitchen on the bottom left, they actually have a built-in trash can now. I'll pull that out for you to see. So pretty neat feature. Moving towards the back, we are going to have your dinette, which can also turn into another bed if you wanted to. The table can lay flat on those wooden stiles, and the cushions all pushed together to make another sleeping area here. Another window in the back. We have your helmet rack, storage up above. You can see the blue speaker there. It's got the LED lights. We have your air conditioner right up top, and that is ducted through the ceiling. Back look at the patio system. Again, with that screen wall that is rolled up there, and the patio system off the back with the railing that goes all the way around. We have your other vent in the back of the camper. Another window. TV bracket, your entertainment center would be right here. So you can hang your TV right there, and the connections are right up top. We have a built-in pantry, which always goes over well. Get lots of storage in here. Open this up and take a look. As you can see, it goes all the way down to the floor. And several shelves inside. We have your 12-volt refrigerator. It is 12-volt only. We do have a 100-watt solar panel on the roof here, so that will help run your refrigerator. These 12-volt refrigerators are much deeper than what the gas electrics were, so you get a lot more room inside. Down below that, we're going to have your breakers and fuses on the left-hand side there. On the right, we have your 12-volt cutoff switch, which is that red key that will kill all 12-volt power to your battery. We have a voltmeter and then a carbon monoxide detector. Back here, you do have a way to get directly into the bedroom if someone's in the bathroom on the right-hand side. And then your bathroom will be here on the left. So we take a look inside. You are going to have your toilet right over here in the corner, which is at an angle as well. We also have this large vent fan in the bathroom. That is a multi-speed exhaust fan there. Medicine cabinet. We got your 110 outlet as well in the bathroom here. We have this decorative faucet as well as this very decorative sink, I would say. Lots of storage down below here. Part of the Black Label package is going to be this awesome shower head that you get in here. Of course, you get the roomy corner shower. It's got the built-in shelves here. This multi-sprayer shower head with the rainfall effect up top there. We have your skylight. And then directly behind me, we are going to have your controls for the water heater. This will allow you to turn the water heater on and off and adjust the temperature of it as well. Moving into the bedroom area, we have your queen mattress with the comforter included there. As you can see, we have the lights up above. They can either be on the blue accent lights, or you can have them both on as reading lights as well. We have one of each just to demonstrate here. Cabinets up top, so you can use that as storage while traveling. And then of course you have your hanging storage over here on the left-hand side. Right beside the bed, we now have a USB charge port up there, which also has the Type-C charge port included as well. Underneath that with a 110 outlet. And then over on the left, so you can buy a portable speaker, which would be Bluetooth, and you could dock it right there and charge it up. There is a TV location in the bedroom here. As you can see, it's right here on this back wall with the connections up top. We're going to have a window on both sides of the bed. You get the same hanging storage on both sides. And again with the overhead cabinets. Another unique feature with the Grey Wolf is going to be this inverter outlet over here. So this is a 110 outlet that has an inverter built into it. So when you're traveling and you only have 12 volt power, that outlet will still be hot for you. So you can still run 110 appliances there, even if you're traveling and only have 12 volt power. So that is a pretty cool feature as well. And that will conclude our walkthrough of the 22RR Black Label. I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.